Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the module on key people in assessment process with reference to ECCE providers. In the previous module, we saw parents and family as the key people in assessment process. Now, in this module, let us see ECCE providers as key people in the assessment process. As we all know, early childhood assessment is a tool used to gather vital information about the growth and development of children and provide that information to educators, parents and families. In this assessment process, parents and family play a very important role. Similarly, ECCE provider also holds a responsible position in the assessment process. The learning outcomes in this module would be: identify the role of ECCE providers in early childhood assessment, understand the prerequisite for assessment of children by ECCE providers' point of view. An early childhood care and education provider or educator is a person who works with young children and their families. It can be a childcare center, school-based programs, home and educational setting like preschools, play homes, kindergarten, child daycare centers, etc. ECCE providers have a responsible task as they have to work with not only children but also with families of the children, as it's equally important to work with them. They also work with support staff and the community as well. In the present scenario, there are 4 important reasons of why assessments are done during early childhood. Firstly, for support learning. Secondly, for identification of special needs. Thirdly, for program evaluation and monitoring trends. And fourthly, for school accountability. So, assessment is said to be the tool of finding all this out. Now let us see the primary responsibility of an ECCE provider. In the course of development in a child, there are a lot of variations among children depending on the background and preparation as well as adult responses to healthy development, especially cognitive and emotional development. At the end, it leads to as what the early childhood educators, teachers or providers do to promote learning among children. Hence, early childhood providers have enormous responsibilities in promoting learning as well as assessments. Some of the primary responsibility of ECCE providers are as follows: providing assistance in skill development of children, plan stimulating learning environment to foster skill development, keeping environment safe and hygienic, design daily schedules and routine, promote acceptable and good behaviors and habits in children, ensure good health, safety and well-being of children. Most important is keeping track and reporting progress of each and every child in their development. These are the everyday job of an early childhood educator or a provider have to do as their primary responsibility, which is massive. Keeping track and documenting the day-to-day activities will be an effective data source for assessment. Early childhood education providers play an important role in fostering cognitive and social development and abilities of children during their early childhood years. Being an early childhood education provider, one has to be multitasking and willing to take up responsibility, as they will be challenged with new experiences with children. Interacting with children demands a lot of patience. Facilitating for children in their learning by providing developmentally appropriate environment, nurture and nourish appropriate growth and development, listen to the child so that the teacher can understand the child's needs, communicating with many at the same time, that is children, parents, support staff, public and administrators, doing paperwork, that is planning, preparing, documenting, reporting, etc. So, being an early childhood educator or a provider is full of responsibilities, roles and challenges. Some of the important aspects to be considered in ECCE providers' assessments are: ECCE providers can assess a wider range of achievement and learning outcomes. Their assessment can provide information about learning process as well as outcomes. Their assessments gives actual indication of children's achievements as it is free from anxiety. They make vital assessments of children's performance. At the same time, assessment depends on the learning activities and opportunities that school work provides. Some external tests or tasks may still be needed to complement ECCE providers' results. Safe and routine approaches are used in their assessment. Sometimes their assessment is often observed as being and indeed can be changeable and subjective due to varying standards being applied. ECCE providers have greater freedom to pursue learning goals in ways that suit the children. When ECCE providers are gathering evidence from children's ongoing work, information can be used formatively to help learning as well.